We have some of the best musicians, the best singers a church could ever pray for. We also have some of the best viewers, some of the best members that a church could ever pray for or wish for. We do not take you for granted for being with us, being part of us, being a part of this community. We thank you very much during this time for being faithful with your tithes, your offerings, and your love offerings and your giving, because it's because of you that we stay on the air. It's because of you we can be open to a degree. It's because of you that we can take this message out into the world. And maybe you haven't taken the opportunity to get connected. We encourage you to send your prayer requests to us at prayers@firstunity.org. And also there's a button there on our website for love offerings and giving and tithes. You can take the time to help us spread the gospel of the good news that God loves each and every one of us. No matter what the label that you put on that energy, God is there for you. And this message needs to be spread around the world. And I encourage you today, if you've not taken the time to give to this ministry and help see this word spread, please do so. I encourage you to do it today.